Israeli umaborolewa ukombo shaka wa ukombo Nega otana nega otana ando nega otana nira wajeoga onene waita onitete nira wajeoga onene waita onitete nera gwande wako nera gwande wako nera Yesoka akejera Oyono weukaeana Yesoka akejera Oyono weukaeana Tondo nega otana Tondo nega otana Tondo nega otana Nehira Wajehova Unene waita onitete Nehira Wajehova Unene waita onitete Ona koro dewero Ona koro dewero Yota niedika ona Odo Masiamae Shumagande newa mwazane Odo Hotana, nega hotana, ando nega hotana, nehia Wajehova, unene waita onitete, nehia Wajehova, unene waita onitete.
Makofi mazuri, makofi mazuri. Thank you so much, session. Bwana Kigomo is the next on that line katika uimbaji. Tumtukuze Bwana kwa uimbaji. Thank you.
Asante sana mchungaji kwa kunipatia nafasi, maana wakati tulikuwa kule nyumbani nilikuwa nimeambiwa niimbe, nikasema hakuna time, nitaimba kwa church. Sitaiba ile wimbo nimeambiwa niimbe utukoe maguru allow me nyine rwimbo rugaga mami ni wanderire kidara wegwa. Kama vile mheshimiwa amenena akasema kuhusu upendo wake mama. Mimi ni msanii na mimi ni muibaji na mimi ni mzee wa kanisa na mimi ni jirani ya Kanini Kega. DJ niwekea wimbo nasema mami ni wanderire.
Mama nani kama wewe,
nani kama mama.
Mutumio yomwera siakeri jata ya kwa ewe sira gyanda igwa korera ne anjiarire maguri emieri kenda mami na ndwanogire kejiarana gena moinge mami ne wanderie ona ndatuita mwana more mino wanderie ona limu moiga demo kegune wanderie mamiye.
Nani kama mama.
Danukaire mami ne wanderie uorwa nyundo iri ya gitene wanderie okurera giare muru mami ne wanderie githomo kiare mandwamenire ne wanderie yo ikwiriria na guthie kioho ne wanderie urugama na itekirwaga ne wanderie yuarega kwarera mugunda ne wanderie utemagwo ne tuyukiruga ne wanderie mamiye.
Asante kwa kumpiga makofi. We are going well with the program. Wakati huu tunataka kuingia in another part of the program where we be inviting our readers to pass their condolences. I think that's what I've mentioned. I've mentioned to pass your condolences. And I request one thing, please. We are in a solemn service, church service. We have not changed. We are still in the service. And number two, we are just about to start the service. We have not really started the service. Until we have the sermon, the service is not yet. So my request is that as we give you that opportunity to come and pass your condolences, we are in a season of alignment and coalitions and agreements. I want us to make one agreement. That I'll be silent, I allow you to pass your condolences. But you'll agree with me. You'll also sit there and wait for the sermon. You not leave before the service is over. Please, that's only my request, that you not leave me, you not leave the church before the service is over. So with that, please, I would like to invite Rose Gakuo, that's the other agreement we want to make, to do the protocols, so that when you come, you not have to repeat everything. And I request Your Excellency, you agree with that. That when they come, they not have to observe the protocols again and again and again. So Rose will do the protocols, then from there, you invite the next.
Asante sana Reverend Joel Njoroge Kairo, ambaye ni moderator kutoka Kieni West Presbytery na kwa ujumla wa kanisa la PCA, tukiongozwa naye Secretary General wetu kanisa hili la PCA Reverend Dr. Robert Wahenya. Asanteni sana kwa haswa kuongoza ibada hii ya kumsherekea mama wetu Ann Nyatoro Ndongo, ambaye bila